Hello viewers, today we are going to explore about height adjustable table for office purpose. So let's open the box and see what are all the items are inside the box. Manual book, please read carefully so that you can minimize your effort to install this table. That's it. All the screws and tag inside. This is the controller. So this is used to adjust the height as well as to select the predefined height, and you can say 4 predefined height in this controller. This is power card, AC power card. This is the interconnection cable between two motor controllers, I hope. Let's see. This is control box. Oh, so heavy. Seems to be 12, I think 10 to 12 kg. This is the motor. One more motor is this. So basically this table is having dual motor control to lift the height, so that there will be a smooth movement in height, adjusting up and down. So one motor, and this is the second motor. Let's keep it side. This is the foot, one side, another side foot, and this is the top mounting part between two legs, and you can see it has the table width adjustable as well. You can adjust based on your requirement, but this cannot be adjustable during working. Before fixing, you have to adjust and then fix based on your tabletop dimension. This is the side mounting in the top, below the table, wooden tabletop. That's it. What they are saying. Separate these two. So we have completed step 1. Separated the end frame. Then step 2. This handle carefully, it's so heavy, 10 to 12 kilo weight, and it has a motor also inside, so be careful. So keep it in this angle and take one of the actually this is the way we have to fix this. Yes, this is how we have to fix now. So you can see carefully, each screw has labeled M6 35, M6 12, like that. So read carefully in the manual, and they have mentioned which screw has to be used where. Okay, don't take the wrong screw. So M612 has to be used here, and very difficult to fix in this angle. So when I have an idea to fix like this, okay, this will be easier so that the screw will not fall down and you will have a balancing as well. Similarly, you can turn this side. Put remaining 2 screws. Take another lift column. Step 3. Step 3 is attaching this side bracket. Okay. So make sure this comes in the top, because your wooden top will get a rest over this, and this is a rubber bush. So to get a rubber cushion effect, so this has to come in the top. Okay. So for this, different screw has to be used. M635. So this screw has to be used. Do not use the same screw. So this has to come, the other bush has to come in the top. So both the lift columns are ready with side bracket. So now we are going to fourth step. Screws. So the foot has to be attached. So now we have to keep it in the reverse direction and attach the foot. Here it's very common that this is the foot's base and it has to come bottom. Okay, means then it has to come like this, because we kept that lift column in the reverse direction, so it goes bottom. So for this, M612 has to be used. Now both the lift columns are ready. One side of the lift column, then you can connect like this. So to do the step 5, please keep it in the reverse opposite direction. Then you measure, then you fix the screw, then it will be better. So I kept 55 inches. Hey guys, before fixing the screw, make sure the moving rod is equally distributed both the side. Okay, then you get a good strength. And now you can fix the screw, and the correct screw is given in the manual, M610. Okay. So 8 screws are tightened. You lose the 4 screws, one side, other side 4 screws, which is connecting between the lift column and the end frame. These 4 screws, try to loose and tight once again, so that all the components now mechanically align together, because we have a flat top here, ground. If you have a table wooden top, then you can keep the wooden top below and then you can do the same. Now I don't have wooden top, so I'm doing it over the ground. So loose this 4 this side, 4 this side, total 8 screws. Loose and tight once again. Okay. If you're not tightened already, then you can directly tighten it now. I have tightened already, so I'm just losing it and tightening again. Motor controller. This one is motor controller and this one is the height adjustment controller. Let's see how to fix this. So you see, this is the motor controller, and this has to be come in this position. So here is the bracket given for the locking mechanism. So just you can just push it. It is locked now. Hey guys, so now we are in step 6, and in the step 6 you see, keep your wooden top at the bottom and the complete table structure top of the wooden top, and then as mentioned you have to put all the wooden screws, total 8, this side 3, this side 3, and 2 is for your height controller, adjustment controller. Before putting the screws with the table structure and the wooden top, please make sure the required length is kept, then you fix the screw. Okay. Now I have measured my length, required length, and it is okay for me, and the position also correct. Now I am going to fix the screw. So this is screw type is M516, 8 screws. Before fixing this height adjustment controller, please make sure which side you are going to work. It has to come in the front side, not the back side. Fix everything, and we do now connections. Okay, the height adjustment controller has to go here. The it's labeled as HS port. dressing, so they have given a lot of tags with the double side tape, so you can basically paste the tape, then you can dress through this properly, route the wire properly. Okay, the height adjustment controller wiring is done, as well as connection is done. Now we have to connect the motor. So this is the interconnection cable between the motor and the motor controller box. You cannot connect directly together. Wiring also done, the dressing also done. Now I need another interconnection cable for this motor. Wiring is done and all the cables are dressed properly using the tag. Now we need to connect the AC cable. Look, AC power cord. Hey guys, now all this wiring and the dressing of the cable, everything is done, and the screw between the wooden top and the skeleton, table skeleton also done. Now it's good to go for testing. Before that I have to flip the table to the normal position.
Don't try yourself. Hello? Take someone help if possible. Otherwise, shoot. Do it in the same way how I did it, or maybe some better way.
The noise is very low, and for the given price it is very affordable, I would say. Okay, so now 110 centimeter, 107, 125, yes, maximum 125 you can go in the height.
Machine number 4. Yes, it is lifting me with the same speed. There is no speed reduction due to the weight and so. Yes, we come to 105 centimeter. And this is my standing position mark. Okay, now let's go down to again 1.